In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email to multiple recipients individually in Gmail. By the end, you'll know how to send one message to many people while keeping everyone's addresses private and your email looking professional. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Gmail. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in when prompted. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top left and click the Compose button to start a new message. This opens a fresh email window where you'll set everything up. In the To field, enter your own email address. This does two helpful things: it gives you a copy of the message for your records, and it helps ensure the email has a clear primary recipient. Some spam filters are less suspicious when the To field isn't empty, and you'll always have the message on hand to reference later. Next, click the BCC button, which you'll see next to CC. BCC stands for Blind Carbon Copy. It's the key to sending messages to multiple people while keeping their addresses hidden from one another. When you use BCC, each recipient receives the email as if it were sent to them alone. In the BCC field, type in all the email addresses of your recipients. Separate each address with a comma so Gmail knows where one ends and the next begins. Take your time here to avoid typos and extra spaces, as a small mistake can cause a bounce or send to the wrong person. If you're copying from a list, scan it after pasting to make sure the commas are in place and nothing looks out of order. Now write your message in the body area. Aim for a clear subject line and a concise, straightforward email. Since you're addressing multiple people at once, keep the content general enough to apply to everyone, and make any details easy to understand at a glance. If you include links or attachments, mention them in the body so recipients know what to expect. Before you send, pause for a careful review. Check spelling, tone, and any dates or details. Most importantly, double-check the BCC field to confirm all addresses are correct and there are no duplicates or stray characters. It's a quick step that can prevent delivery issues. When everything looks right, click Send. Your email will be delivered to all recipients privately, with their addresses hidden, and you'll receive your own copy in your inbox. That's it: simple, efficient, and professional.